how to find and recover deleted Facebook messages. Sometimes we accidentally delete important Facebook messages, so if we do not know how to recover them, we could lose very important information or memories. So let's recover them safely step by step. Open up the Messenger app or your Facebook website, and you can look out for your profile icon or go to the menu option. Basically, look out for archive option there and tap on it. And there, look out for messages that were archived instead of deleted, because sometimes messages may seem deleted, but they are just archived. This is one of the way possible. Or we can download our Facebook data. Open up Facebook for that, the application or browser, and we can go to the menu option in the top. And within there, we can look out for the settings option and basically go ahead and go to the Meta Center, like Meta Account Center. Now within here, we'll be finding different options. What we need to do is basically go to the section for our Facebook information, your informations and permissions, and we can download that information here. We can tap on this option called export your information, and within here we can select up the option of messages. So open up Account Center, go to tap on go to create export, and once you are there, you can tap on your Facebook profile, and there tap on export. Like you can export it to your device or your external service, and there we can select messages, date, range, and file. So you can select your email address, and in this customize information section, tap on it. Ensure the messages option is check marked, not others. If others is not, it's fine, but make sure to ensure this messages option is check marked and tap on save. And once you do so, you can just go over and select update range, which is very optional, but you can select up from last year, your month, etc., and your media quality, your format, etc., and tap on this option called start export. Once you do so, you can wait for Facebook to prepare the download. Once you enter up your password, confirm it up, and download the file and check for deleted messages. And you can just go over and download the file and check it up. And Facebook stores messages as the data in your archive, even if deleted in messengers. And if email notifications are enabled, you can just go over and search for Messenger in your email, and some messages may be in the notifications. And that's it. And the thing is, deleted messages cannot be recovered after a certain time if fully removed, and enable Facebook email notifications for backup. And that's how we basically find and recover deleted Facebook messages safely. So if this video was helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.